Real quick, before you keep going, let me just get one little thing in there. As you're completing the rest of the worksheet, you're talking about what you want to do, what your plan is. Make sure you write that down. There's 4 questions on there. First one is discuss with people at your table. Summarize what you plan to do. Write that on there. Once you're done with that, move on and read out of the textbook to finish those bottom 3 there. About Gordon Conn, Paul Robeson, and the Hollywood 10. Should be, check on the next page too. Wherever you can find the info. It should be, starting at L6, you got Hollywood 10 there.
Read out my friend's
Well, you have to describe how their situation was similar and different, or how yours is similar and different to theirs. So when you're reading about them, it's going to describe what they did. You need to compare what your decision was to theirs. What? Okay, so how does that relate to your decision? Because they're saying, well, these are unconstitutional. We don't want to participate. Okay, so what was your decision? Okay, compare and contrast. What may be the benefits and the negatives? I mean, they're not speaking, so they can't defend themselves. Right? They're not even taking part. So yours, you get to defend yourself and say, well, you can't prove that I did it, so.
It needs 20 minutes.
However, by you trying to speak out, maybe that makes you appear more guilty.
But, okay, can I just write this kind of cooperate with the other?
Yeah, you can do that and then compare it. All right, you guys. John, you fill your sheet out? That'd be a bad idea. How far do I read for? Huh? How far do we read? You just got to find those people. So there's Paul Robeson. Now you just have to find Gordon Conn. Found it. Wow. Wow. What's your girl?
Yes.
Wow. Sure you're filling out? Do my work at one side.
Sir, you're straining my...
That didn't make any sense.
This is Paul.
Take a few more minutes.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do.
You have to find those people. So on that sheet, you have to find Gordon Conn, Paul Robeson, Gordon Conn, Paul Robeson. So as you're reading about the people, I don't want to know what they did. I want to know how they did, what they did, and how that compared to what you did. I'm sorry. So you don't need to give me a description of how they were accused. Tell me how they were accused and how that relates to, or why they were accused, and how that relates to you. Yes.
Okay, so they didn't do anything, they just had it was quiet. So there's nothing similar.
Okay, but then how is it different? I mean, aside from them just sitting there not talking and you talking, like I said, what are the positives and negatives? Is y'all done? Okay, a couple more minutes.
If he wasn't a communist,
Get this finished up.
So, oh,
It's the same as
Thank you, Christina.
Jordan. John says his sister's fish died, his name's Way Low.
Why are you trying to do this?
Justin.
I have a reason.
Don't you heard how he gets in the shits right here?
So you read about Barton Con and stuff, Tony? Oh, I didn't type it. Are you sure? It's okay, you can put the little R on the end of it.
I think really again for the nurse for my eyes.
Okay, take about one more minute. Yep. Gordon's on? Right there. First paragraph. One more minute.
Really awesome.
Be right there.
Disgusting.
It's not you, it's not you. What's up?
What's blacklisted?
You don't have to do that back side yet, we're gonna do that next. Just the front side for right now. It's okay for working at it. Good deal.
Do you know, has anybody ever like admitted to like a communist?
Yeah, people in the United States have said on the side, it's on the side. Remember in the top there, it said over 100,000 Americans claim to be communists?
Oh, really?
And we have a communist party here in the United States now.
Do we really?
There's people who are communists.
Where?
They just have a political party just like Democrats and Republicans in the United States.
It's like all over?
Yeah, people can say they're communists.
Did they ever get voted?
They can run for election, just like a member of the Green Party, Independent Party, but they never get anywhere near the amount of support they would need to get to win an election. I mean, in the First Amendment, you have the right to freedom of speech, religion, political affiliation, so you can do whatever party you want. Just like it wasn't illegal to be a communist during this time.
Good deal. Oh,
A
no.
what?
a farmer's pledge is a video.
There's, I think there's okay, so flip over to the back side. I'll read this one real quick too, and then I'll let you go back to working in groups. Vandalism has become a growing concern for the school. They are worried that others might find vandalism to be cool, so the school board has decided to investigate those people suspected of having vandalistic tendencies or traits. A list of possible suspects begins circulating through the teacher's lounge. Some teachers even begin to discriminate in class against those thought to be individuals, or vandals, I'm sorry. So how are the teachers and the school board acting like the HUAC? That's also in the textbook. You're going to do the same like you did on the front side, compare and contrast. Some of your other friends were also called into the principal's office and begin naming names. Yours is one that is being whispered not only in the office, but also in the hallways at school. Rumors are running rampant. Some are claiming you are a spy that was sent by your rivals at the neighboring school. There is talk of expelling the guilty students. So then you have to compare and contrast the situation of Alger Hiss and Ethel and Julius Rosenberg. So suppose there had been a recent string of vandalism in bathrooms at the school that was reported on in the newspaper. In order to keep his job, the principal had to catch the person or persons guilty of such behavior. The principal begins slandering your name in the newspapers, ruining your reputation with unproven accusations so that you no longer feel safe returning to school and have been blacklisted so that no neighboring school would want to take you. You accuse the principal of McCarthyism. So there they talk about blacklisted and McCarthyism.